Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to install electric scooter fuses. The fuse is an electrical component in the electric scooter to ensure the safe operation of the circuit. If your electric scooter doesn't have a fuse installed, this video will show you how to install one and keep your electric scooter running safely. Of course, you can always chat with our support team if you have any questions. First of all, we use Allen key to remove all the screws on the deck cover. Please remember to keep them carefully. Remove the deck cover and the rubber gasket. To install the fuses, we need to locate the yellow connector where the charging port is attached to the battery and unplug it. Next, take out the fuses. Before installing it, it is important to take note of the shape of the interface. Make sure that the round hole is connected to another round hole, and the square hole is connected to another square hole. Otherwise, there may be a short circuit. So, please double-check the hole positions before connecting them. Follow this method to connect all four interfaces to the fuses installed. Make sure to organize all the wiring so that it's safely contained within the battery compartment, with no risk of it sticking out or exposure outsides. Finally, lay the rubber gasket, put the deck cover, and use an electric screwdriver to tighten the screws. That's all for today. Hope this video will help you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.